Good morning, everyone. I am Christian Apple, Question Documents. So, what is handwritten? Handwritten is a process of writing letters and words by using a pen or pencil. Each person handwritten looks different and can change over time. It is a result of a very complicated series of acts used as a whole and combination of a certain forms of visible mental and muscular continued painstaking efforts. Some define handwritten as a visible speech. According to Huber, handwritten is an actual skills and clearly one that is complex, perceptual motor task, sometimes referred to as a neuromuscular task that our hands contain 27 bones controlled by more than 40 muscles. In Wigmore's principle of judicial proof, handwritten is defined as a visible effect of body movement, which is almost an unconscious expression of muscular habit reacting from fixed mental expression of certain ideas associated with the script form. And I think that's all. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. I am JC. Our topic today is all about the question documents. Okay, what are the importance of question document? Question documents are any documents whose authenticity, origin, and content is in dispute. Their importance lies in several areas, including we have a five pillars. So first is the legal evidence. Second is fraud prevention. Third is criminal investigation. Fourth is historical verification. And last is we have business security. What is the importance of question documents? Here we go. Question documents play a crucial role in legal, financial, and criminal investigations by determining the authenticity, origin, and possible alteration of written or printed materials. They serve as a vital evidence in court cases, helping to identify forgeries, fraud, and document tampering. In financial and business settings, they ensure the legitimacy of contacts, checks, and identity documents, preventing fraudulent activities. That's all. Thank you.
So good day, ma'am. My report is all about real versus forged handwritten. So, what is real handwritten? So, real handwriting is characterized by natural variation, smooth and fluid pen strokes, and consistent writing habits that develop over time. Even though each signature or piece of handwriting will show small differences, the writer's unique style, such as letter shapes, slants, spacing, and pressure, remains consistent and automatic. Genuine handwriting flows with confidence, showing no signs of hesitation or unnatural pauses. So, on the other hand, forged handwriting often appears stiff and unnatural, with shaky or trembling lines caused by forgers' slow and cautious movements. The strokes may show irregular pressure, awkward letter formation, or inconsistent spacing, as the forger struggles to imitate rather than naturally write. Additionally, forged handwriting may reveal signs of tracing or deliberate corrections, and the overall appearance tends to lack the spontaneous, fluid quality found in authentic writing. So that's all from my report. Thank you.
So good day everyone. Our topic is all about question document. So my question is portrait expert. So when you say portrait expert, is the handwriting analysis. Portraying expertise means demonstrating deep knowledge and skills in evaluating handwritten to determine authorship, authenticity, and personality traits. A handwritten expert, also known as a forensic documents examiner or graphologist, uses scientific methods and principles to analyze writing examples. So other um, meaning of portrait expert is to establish yourself as an expert in writing analysis. You should demonstrate the following. So knowledge of handwritten features. So first is the slant, size, pressure, and spacing. Second is the letter, informations, and connection. And the last one is the signature analysis. So this is all about my portrait expert.
So, good day, ma'am. My name is Joshua Ayalas, and today I will discuss all about fraud experts. So, what is fraud experts? So, a fraud expert is a professional who specializes in detecting, investigating, and preventing fraudulent activities. They often work in fields like banking, insurance, cybersecurity, law enforcement, or consulting. And their job is to identify suspicious behavior, analyze data, and help protect organizations or individuals from financial crimes or deceit. So, they rely on data analysis, financial records, behavioral patterns, and legal knowledge to uncover fraud and stop it. So, the main focus of the fraud experts is to to investigate and prevent fraud. Also, they work with evidence and data to catch fraudsters. And lastly, they protect organizations or individuals. So that's it for my report about fraud experts.